In this video I wanna show how to make your passwords as strong as possible. End of the video I will show 2 useful tools to make strong passwords. 1. Make your password long. The longer and more complex your password is, the longer this process takes. Passwords that are 3 characters long take less than a second to crack. 2. Make your password a nonsense phrase. Long passwords are good. Long passwords that include random words and phrases are better. If your letter combinations are not in the dictionary, your phrases are not in published literature, and none of it is grammatically correct, they will be harder to crack. Also, do not use characters that are sequential on a keyboard, such as numbers in order or the widely used QWERTY. 3. Include numbers, symbols, and uppercase and lowercase letters. Randomly mix up symbols and numbers with letters. You could substitute a 0 for the letter O or at for the letter A, for example. If your password is a phrase, consider capitalizing the first letter of each new word, which will be easier for you to remember. 4. Avoid using obvious personal information. If there is information about you that is easily discoverable, such as your birthday, anniversary, address, city of birth, high school, and relatives and pets' names, do not include them in your password. These only make your password easier to guess. On that note, if you are required to choose security questions and answers when creating an online account, select ones that are not obvious to someone browsing your social media accounts. 5. Do not reuse passwords. When hackers complete large-scale hacks, as they have recently done with popular email servers, the lists of compromised email addresses and passwords are often leaked online. If your account is compromised and you use this email address and password combination across multiple sites, your information can be easily used to get into any of these other accounts. Use unique passwords for everything. 6. Start using a password manager. Password managers are services that auto-generate and store strong passwords on your behalf. These passwords are kept in an encrypted, centralized location, which you can access with a master password. Don't lose that one. Many services are free to use and come with optional features such as syncing new passwords across multiple devices and auditing your password behavior to ensure you are not using the same one in too many locations. 7. Keep your password under wraps. Don't give your passwords to anyone else. Don't type your password into your device if you are within plain sight of other people. And do not plaster your password on a sticky note on your work computer. If you're storing a list of your passwords, or even better, a password hint sheet, on your computer in a document file, name the file something random so it isn't a dead giveaway to snoopers. 8. Change your passwords regularly. The more sensitive your information is, the more often you should change your password. Once it is changed, do not use that password again for a very long time. Thank you for watching. If this video helps, like, subscribe and share with your friends.